Recently, Cumberland County Schools' Cumberland Family Academy hosted a series of middle school student assemblies, a school leadership luncheon, and a family night event that featured international motivational speaker and former New York Giants football player Keith Davis.
She was inspired to push forward. Her dream was bigger. I said, don't let what happened in the past stop you. She made a decision she was going to push. So let's go P.U.S.H. Everybody say, persevere. Persevere. Until success happens.
Davis brought along his colleague and former Seattle Seahawks football player, Germard Reed. The two men spoke to 5 different middle schools across the district for 2 days of assemblies and ended their tour by speaking at Cumberland Family Academy's Family Night Series event.
Thank you so much.
The event was held at Lewis Chapel Middle School, where parents and students came together to hear Keith Davis and Germard Reed speak about P.U.S.H, Persevere Until Success Happens.
We just wanted to challenge the kids to keep pushing forward for their dreams. So we did a theme called P.U.S.H, Persevere Until Success Happens, because it doesn't happen right away. And just let them know, hey, winning and losing has nothing to do with football championships. Winners always look at what they're going to, losers look at what they're going through. And just challenge them to stay focused on their dreams, education, effort, excellence, all those things that can change their lives. And we share a little bit of our stories to share the challenges that you may have faced as a kid, but you can't change the past, but you can change the future.
Today I learned to persevere and push and chase your dreams no matter what other people say. I plan on using what I've learned to remind myself to keep going no matter how I feel, because chasing your dreams is important.
My favorite part about it was the stories that they told and what they had behind their history and career and stuff. Like what they've been through to get where they are and where they're going, and how it affected them and kept them pushing.
One thing I took away was that when he said you can make it through anything and accomplish what you believe in.
A lot of times people think they're out there on their own, especially when you come out of an event like this. You may be able to network and meet with someone, and you just have a partnership, because you can't do this all by yourself. So if you have someone that's also in the same fight that you are, they can give you some tips on how to help that may apply to and help your child, and vice versa. So I would highly encourage to get involved. Just like they said tonight, parents, get involved. No matter what your child may be labeled, if you get involved, you may get connected with the right individual that may be the right person that your child needs to meet to get to that next level.
These school assemblies and this family night event show that Cumberland County Schools is committed to ensuring the success of our students and their families as they go on their educational journeys. If you would like to know more about the upcoming programs of Cumberland Family Academy and our school district and the programs that it has to offer, go to our website, www.ccs.k12.nc.us.